Hi, welcome. My name is Janelle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to do the magic circle technique. And this is sometimes also called the magic ring or magic loop. And this technique is useful if you're either starting an amigurumi or any other crochet project that starts with a circle. So to do this technique, you're going to start with the end of your yarn, and you're going to take the tail of it and fold it up and behind your working yarn, so you have a loop. And then you're going to just pinch where the two parts cross and hold on to it. And then you're going to take your crochet hook, put it through the front of the loop, grab your working yarn and pull that through. And then you're going to yarn over and pull that through the loop on your crochet hook. I find at this point that my tail is sometimes wrapped around, so I just pull that out. So we've essentially created a slip stitch, and that's going to hold your loop in place. And the loop that is on your crochet hook also acts as a chain. So if you're going to be working single crochets into your magic circle, you can leave it at just the one chain, but if you're doing a half double stitch, you would add a second chain, or if you're doing double stitch, then you would add a third chain. But I'm going to stick with single crochet for now, and I am using US terms here because that's what I'm familiar with. So from here, we're just going to do our single crochet, and the number of single crochet that you make is going to vary depending on what is written in your pattern. Typically it's 6, but it could be more. I wouldn't suggest doing any more than 10 or 12, or you're not going to be able to close the loop at the end because it'll be too bulky. So I'm going to just make 6 single crochet. So I'm just going to put my crochet hook through the loop, grab my yarn, pull it through. So I now have 2 loops on my crochet hook, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both loops. So that's my first single crochet stitch, and I'll just make 5 more of those. So once you have your stitches done, all you need to do is grab the tail and pull, and that will bring your first stitch and your last stitch together. And then to join the first and last stitches and start your next round, you're going to just do a single crochet into the first stitch that you made. And then you can just continue on following your pattern. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please do remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.